I am Devlin Steele, Director of Education at Augusta Precious Metals, with a preview of economic news expected to make the headlines this week. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. We'll be talking plenty about inflation this week, with 2 rounds of data coming our way in the days ahead. First up will be the Consumer Price Index for April, which comes to us on Wednesday, courtesy of the Labor Department. Projections are that annual headline CPI increased last month at a pace of 4.9%. On a monthly basis, it's believed prices accelerated just a bit. After rising a mere 0.1% in March, economists expect to see that inflation climb 0.4% in April. Annual core CPI, which excludes food and energy, is expected to come in right where it did in March, 5.6%. The monthly core index is forecast to show a little relief, coming in at 0.3% after rising 0.4% in March. The next day, Thursday, the Labor Department will be back to update us on inflation at the wholesale level when it releases the Producer Price Index for April. Its projected annual PPI rose 2.4% in April, down from the March rate of 2.7%. On a monthly basis, however, it's expected that PPI climbed 0.3% last month. Finally, on Friday, the University of Michigan will release its preliminary reading on the Consumer Sentiment Index for May. Economists expect the index to decline to 62.6, nearly a point below April's final reading of 63.5. While an index measure in that neighborhood would still keep it at a level considerably higher than the all-time low of 50 reached last June, the index still has a long way to go before it gets back anywhere near its historical average of 85.7. That's it for now. We'll be back later this week to recap some of the bigger economic developments. This is Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.